Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make a shrimp and crab BLT burger. So what you need for this is some deveined shrimp. We got me some peppers I have frozen. I got me some crab claws, and of course we're gonna go in there with my all-purpose seasoning. It comes in spicy and regular, so I'm using the spicy ones today. Lemon garlic butter by Kinder's, and some Creole seasoning. We'll get into the sauce and what we're gonna layer it with. I'm gonna put lettuce and tomato, however you say this, kind of bread with mines, and I'll get into the sauce later. So you got your food processor. You're gonna add your shrimp. Add our crab meat. I had some left. You don't need to use the whole thing in here. Go ahead and lock it in here. And we're gonna chop it. It's kind of like this consistency. We're gonna add our peppers in here. Now you can put peppers, onions, or onions and just peppers, whatever one is for you, that's fine. Go in with my all-purpose seasoning. Go in with my Kinder lemon butter, garlic, and some Creole seasoning. And you're gonna need you some crackers. This is some Ritz crackers. So you want to give this a good stir. So now we're gonna patty them. See how wet this is? But listen, you have to refrigerate this for at least 2 to 3 hours. So I'm only making me one. The rest of them I'm going to patty up and save it for another day. Let's work on our bacon because it's a BLT. Of course, for a BLT you need some bacon. So I only got me 3 strips of just me eating this. I'm going to put some brown sugar on here. And some black pepper. Go ahead and put this in the oven on 375 until we have our dippings for when we about to fry our shrimp. We have 2 scrambled eggs. We got some flour mixed with water to this consistency. We have our dry batter. We're gonna go ahead and put some more seasoning in there. So I did keep flipping these, but you're gonna put it in the egg one, then the dry one, the wet one, into we're gonna go ahead and drop this in our hot 365 degrees heat. Fry this till it's done, but while that's frying, let's go ahead and get our sauce together. Okay, we're gonna put some mayo. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. Squirt of mustard. Some garlic powder. Some red powder. Some sriracha sauce. Just a little hot sauce. About a tablespoon of ranch and a little sweet Thai chili sauce. Trust me on all these. Okay, let's put this to the side. Go ahead and brown your bread. Okay, let's assemble it. There go our bread. Put some of that sauce on there. Add our patty, burger, whatever you want to call it. Put me some lettuce. Some tomato. And that bacon we had put in there. I don't need all this. And of course, we're going to drizzle some of this sauce on the top. Look at this. Let's get into the inside. What we've been waiting for. Look at this. Let's go ahead and dip this in here. Let me get you something to drink. I mean a lollipop. Olipop. Strawberry vanilla. Ooh. Look, y'all. Oh, it's so good. But y'all, let me tell you one thing I will say about this. Make sure before you do your dipping and the flour and all that, make sure your patty is all the way hard. But baby, we got to get. Baby, this sandwich is good. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know what city y'all looking from. Let me know if you tried my recipe or how yours is. Oh my God. Until we meet again, have a blessed day.